Now, again, it's not as simple as Facebook where you can be on one platform, optimize one set of ad sets and scale that thing to the moon and back, but it's a great alternative to that. Right.
Mm.
And, people are always frustrated the ups and downs that Facebook might have. And I spent $1,000 one day and then $10 the next day. And my account got shut off for some reason I can't fully describe and all those certain things.
Yeah.
So, it's
God,
nice to
that
get more
hurts.
traffic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice to be in a spot where they want your money, right? Like with native. That's what my friends always say too. They're just like, yeah, I'll never go back to Facebook because I feel like they don't want my money.
It's much more stable. One, your reps do seem to care about you, right? I've got bad reps and good reps, but on the day when they call up a rep, they pick up the phone, they want to help you out in their campaigns. You're not dealing with someone who's what the hell they're doing, which I do all the time on. And we spend on Facebook all the time, guys. We do, millions of dollars of ad spend there. We definitely know what we're doing as well.
Mm-hmm.
We see much more stability on native, much more long-term growth.
Yeah.
And to come back to Tyler's point, the quality is better.
Yeah.
If you think about the nature of it, someone has read a content piece about your company, they've engaged with your product already, and then they may give you their information or buy the product or whatever the case may be. You've already pre-qualified that person so much more than simply hitting an ad inside their newsfeed on Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that makes sense. I feel like the user too, like on Facebook, if you're going to Facebook, you're going there to blow time. You're not looking there to learn or really engage. Where I feel like on native, like you're there because you want to read, you want to get caught up on something, you want to be involved. Like I feel like there's a whole different mindset of like a native user is even opposed to a social media user.
Yeah, there really is. And you're catching it at a different point in their day. They're on a news site, they're engaging with content already. And now it's important to say, this may be the first touch they have with your product or service. So you may not convert that user on that initial click, but they've read about you, they've understood your company at least a little bit, and your goal is to sell them on your product or service, right? So marketing is key there. But a great thing about native as well is you're going to see things like your branded search go way up. Is what do people do if they read about your product on Facebook or on native? They go to Google and type it in, right? They go to Google, type it in, they might buy through there. They go to Amazon, they type
That's
it in.
cool. I didn't even think of that, man. That makes total sense, though.
It's super critical. And on top of that, your Facebook marketing campaigns go through the roof. Because, the first thing they're going to see when they pop up in your newsfeed is all of a sudden, oh, yeah, there's that same product you just read about.